Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2019 19 plate Skoda Superb SEL Executive 2 litre diesel automatic. Having covered 62,000 miles from new, the vehicle comes with full service history, as well as features including a full leather interior with heated front seats, front and rear parking sensors and satellite navigation. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.